Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to go over the AA ignition replacement cruise control switch that fits the Ford Explorer, Mercury Mountaineer, Ford Ranger, Ford Sport Trac, and a couple other models. So when you first get the item and you go ahead and open it, you're going to notice we have some inserts in here if you have any problems to how to reach us for customer support, and a contest we also run. When you get in and go ahead and you open up the switches, you're going to notice that there are two switches that are connected by a ribbon harness. And this is actually how they're going to install. So they're all pre-assembled. So we have full installation instructions that are going to walk you through how to remove your factory switches. And then these are going to replace the factory switches in the same way. You have a couple connections you need to make. It's a quick disconnect that needs to go into the steering wheel. Another quick disconnect. The actual control harness, which will plug directly into the factory location, as well as a ground, which will use the factory screw. The installation is pretty straightforward. If you're mechanically inclined, it'll take you maybe about 20-30 minutes to do, because you gotta take the airbag off the steering wheel to be able to access the screws that secure these. So that covers the replacement cruise control switches for your Ford F-150, Sport Trac, as well as the Ranger, the Mercury Mountaineer, and the Mazda B series pickup trucks.